Hello, and welcome to my tutorial. Today we are going over a problem from Wiley Plus's Chapter 7 homework. This is specifically from Chapter 7, Part 2, Exercise 8, which just so happens to be the first problem of the Homework 2 assignment. For this exercise, we are going to perform a bank reconciliation for the fictional Oriole Company. Bank reconciliations are yet another tool that a company has at its disposal to ensure that its financial records are correct. It is done by comparing the company's records with the bank statements from its accounts. Any differences that appear need to be justified, and when there are no unexplained differences, the bank statement is said to be reconciled. This is our goal today. We are given a list of events numbered 1 through 6 that we will use to solve our problem. Our first step is to have the correct date format at the top of this document, which should be displayed as July 31st, 2017. After that, there are a couple things that we should be aware of going into this. That is, we need to list items that increase balances first, and secondly, we need to adjust the bank statement before we adjust the books. That second part should make sense now as we move into this first section. We will record the cash balance per bank statement. This is item number 1 on the list we are provided in the problem. The amount is $8,088. This amount is what would be displaying on the bank statement, or what the bank is able to see on the account. Something the bank statement does not reflect, however, is a deposit in transit that the company received in item number 4 of the list. This money that the company has received has been sent to the bank, but it has not yet been actually recorded by the bank. This will be reconciled by adding $3,460 to the cash balance per bank statement here. This gives us a subtotal of $11,548. So we listed our items that increase the bank statement. Now we can list items that will decrease it. That item is number 6 on our list. $703 in outstanding checks. These are checks that Oriole Company has written and given out that have yet to be deposited by the recipients of those checks. Since that cash has not yet left the bank account, we need to reconcile it here by stating that our subtotal of $11,548 should be less $703 due to outstanding checks. This will give us a new total of $10,845, which is our adjusted cash balance per bank. After this, we move to the books. We are given our book cash balance in item number 3, which is $8,124. We will record that here. Next, we will again list items that increase balances before ones that decrease them. In this case, item number 5 shows that the bank received an electronic funds transfer of $2,776, but that Oriole Company has yet to record that on the books. Let's reconcile this difference now by adding $2,776, which will give us a subtotal of $10,900. Finally, we will show a bank service charge that appears as item number 2 in our problem. This amount will be taken from our subtotal to create our new adjusted cash balance per books of $10,845. If we look at these two adjusted amounts, they should be the same. If they are, this bank statement is now said to be reconciled, completing this portion of the problem. The last thing that needs to be done is to journalize these adjusting entries on the company's books. The problem gives us a tip by showing us which adjustments go where. The first adjustment is to be recorded as the electronic funds transfer by the bank. This would increase or debit the company asset cash by $2,776, while simultaneously decreasing or crediting the company asset accounts receivable by $2,776. Last of all, we make an adjustment to record the bank service charge. This charge will increase or debit the account bank charges expense by $55, while simultaneously decreasing or crediting the company asset cash by $55. And with that, the problem is solved. The bank statement is reconciled, the adjusting entries were made on the company's books for record, and that is all we needed to do. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you found it helpful and want to wish you all good luck on your assignments.